If somebody is having an injury, you make wudu as usual, including if you're wearing socks, heavy socks, you can still wipe on them if you did put them on while having wudu. And within 24 hours if you're resident, 72 hours if you're traveling. That's one question that is answered. If somebody is having an injury, I made wudu, but my forearm, or because a small injury, I have a bandage, I have a tape that is covering this area. I wipe on it, and then afterward I would observe tayammum only on behalf of this limb which is covered with cast, because I couldn't wash it during wudu. So two things. Wiping over the socks, that is regular. Everyone is allowed. There is a difference of opinion whether you're musafir or not. But the more correct view, alhamdulillah, the socks is covering your ankles and it is thick. You cannot see through it. And before you put them on, you were having wudu. Now next time you're going to make wudu, you can wipe on top of your socks. That's one question answered. Any body part which have an injury, if it is covered with bandage or cast, you can do two things. You wipe on it and you also observe tayammum after you finish the wudu. What is this tayammum for? Because I couldn't wash my arm or I couldn't wash my feet, not because I'm wearing socks, but because one of my feet, right foot, left foot,